Here I have a Lockwood V7. As you can see by the logo here, you got the 7 and the V, i.e. V7. I picked this one earlier, but the audio was all messed up on my video, so I decided to shoot another video to have better audio. So, let's see what we can do here. Just going back and forth. It's got 2 rows of pins. I'll show you when I get it. And just going through filling for binding pins. There it is picked. So what we'll do now is go ahead and gut it. Better get a follow up. Zoom out a little more. Get the bugs out of my way. Okay. Some tweezers too. And there we have it. Back in the light a little better, maybe. Seven pins. 4 on the one side, 3 on the other, as you can see. Raise up this side and check her out. Here's the bitting for that side. So I don't have a key for this one. I wish I did. It'd be a cool looking key, but there's the bitting for the other side. All standard key pins. Chambers are all standard, nothing counter milled or anything crazy in them. And then we'll check out the drivers. And let's see, I'm going to put them on the side they go on. So, number 1, have a standard driver. And spring. Number 2 is a spool. Number 3 is standard. Number 4 is a spool. Number 5 is a spool. Number 6 is standard. And number 7 is standard. So that's it. Nothing special in the plug. And close up with the driver pins. So 1, 2, 4 standard and 3 spool looks like. I hope or not, probably not. There you go. 4 spools, or 4 standard and 3 spools. So that's it. Lockwood V7. Focus. Or not, come on. I'll manual focus it. There you go. Lockwood V7. Picked and gutted. Thanks for watching again.